Future Symposium, and I look forward to the engaging discussion await us. So, now, let's dive into our first presentation. It's my pleasure to introduce our first speaker from University of Kurdistan, Hawler, Professor Dr. Tariq Rashid, who will discuss AI and its limits. Please join me in welcoming him.
Respected representative of Ministry of Higher Education, esteemed President of Polytechnic University, Dr. Ari, respected President of Catholic University, Hawler, distinguished professors, distinguished doctors, deans, and most importantly, our beloved students. Good morning. Today I'm talking about the AI. I'm Tariq Rashid, Professor and Principal Fellow of Higher Education, UK. I do teach AI. Graduated from Ireland. Did my master's, my postdoc, my PhD in Ireland, University College Dublin. Worked as a dean in Ireland for 3 years. Then I started to think about coming back to my roots, which is Kurdistan, and serve here. So I started with the Salahuddin University. Then I joined UKH 2017, and I am enlisted in Stanford, prestigious Stanford University list as a top scholar, .2, for the last 4 years in a row. I'm also enlisted as a top 4 researchers in Iraq by Scopus Index, and I was entitled as a Knight of Iraq in scientific research and a distinguished researcher. So, and I don't know anything about AI. Now, AI is a basic definition. You know, you've got a machine and you put program on it, and then it becomes intelligent. So hopefully I can explain some AI. Right, this is one of our projects. Myself and my student, he's now my colleague, Dr. Horaz, did it, and Huda wanted to buy this one by 3 dafters, but still Horaz in negotiation with them. So it's text to sound, please.
It was very nice, 3 dafters. So you have 3 dafters?
Yeah, 3 dafters. I'm not involved in the finance. So it's that's it should be a sound. This is a text to voice in Kurdish.
بخيرات السلسلة سوان
Write down in Kiev.
همو لم کنفرانسا بەشداری مان کردووە.
Now,
دووبارە بەخێبێت سەسران.
if you just go to the next slide. Now, this is text to voice, and this is voice to text, the other way around.
ئەم کاتتان باش بۆ ڕێزات ئێستا لە پلاتفۆرمی ژیر چۆنیەتی گۆڕینی دەنگ بۆ دەقتان پیشان دەدەین. بەخێرهاتنی هەموو لایەک دەکەین. ئەمڕۆ ئێمە لە کۆنفرانسێک بەشداری دەکەین.
Voice to text. If you just next, please.
ئەم کاتتان باش بۆ ڕێزات ئێستا لە پلاتفۆرمی ژیر چۆنیەتی گۆڕینی دەنگ بۆ دەقتان پیشان دەدەین.